Now, the concept of abwab sulasi mujarrad was that when the first form of the madi is comprising of only the root letters and the addition starts from the second. Now, an important thing, root letters and additional letters. There's a concrete concept of this also. Additional letters. Root letter can be any. All 28 huruf can become root letters. But the additional letters are only few. A student asks his teachers. A student asks his teacher, what are the additional letters? What are the additional letters? The teacher said, Sa'altumuniha. Sa'altumuniha. You asked me about them. Earlier on, you asked me about them. I told you, in bracket is I told you. Sa'altumuniha al-yawma nasitaha. But today you have forgotten. Al-yawma, today, nasitaha. Now both the sentences, Sa'altumuniha and al-yawma nasitaha, comprise of the additional letters.
And you can whether write in a above form or the below form.
No, the additional letters can be seen, Hamza, Lam, Ta, Mim, Waw, Noon, Ya, Ha and Alif. And so are here, Hamza, Lam, Ya, Waw, Mim, Noon, Sin, Ya, Ta, Ha and Alif.
Today you forgot.
So, you don't have to memorize them, simply remember these two sentences. Sa'altumuniha, you ask them.
10 words.
You asked me before about them. Al-yawma nasitaha, today you have forgotten them. Seen, Hamza, Lam, Ta, Mim, Waw, Noon, Ya, Ha and Alif. And if you transfer them to them, they will also appear to be the same. Hamza, Lam, Ya, Waw, Mim, Noon, Seen, Ya, Ta, Ya again, and Ta, Yarhamkillah, and Alif. And interestingly, mostly used in the Quran are Sulasi Mazidun Fi, and less used are the Sulasi Mujarrad. But they are the base. And another additional fact to remember is that it's mostly the altered form of Mudare used than the normal Mudare. But that is the base. This is actually to tell that the verbs falling in this bab, in this opening, will have duplication of the middle root letter, like allama.
Oh, okay, okay. So this is a form, like.
Yeah, this is the form.
Fa'ala.
Shape.
Allama.
Allama.
Got it.
Basically, it's the base of the chapter. About
That's what it's for.
Inshallah.
And its madare would be yufa'ilu. Its infinitive will have two shapes. Taf'ilun. Yufa'ilu, sorry, I'm sorry. Yu'allimu. Infinitive will be taf'ilun or taf'ilatun.
Just like taqdeer.
No, taf'ilatun, tajribatun, tazkiyatun.
Taqdeer.
Taqdeer is this one, taf'il, not this. Taf'ilatun, break. Now you have got, sorry, one thing more. And the doer noun would be mufa'ilun. Doer noun would be mufa'ilun, mu'allimun. Mufa'ilun. And the object noun would be no, not maf'ulun, mufa'alun. Sorry, mufa'alun. Addition has taken place. The addition may be of the root letter itself, or it may be from them. Additional letter means here, look, ta is of those letters, ya is of those letters. This means additional letters. You will recognize that you go to the dictionary, you will forget about ya and ta because they are additional letters. You will look for this. You have the word muallim. Say example, you have the word muallim, right? Yeah, you will go not in ta, you will look for fa. This may ain. So this is bab 2, or the other name of this bab is bab taf'il, and sometimes they call it fa'ala. Now when you have got this much of information, then you have about 200-300 words made on your own. For example, fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna. Then yufa'ilu, tufa'ilu, ufa'ilu, nufa'ilu, yufa'ilani, tufa'ilani, tufa'ilani, tufa'ilani. Then yufa'iluna, yufa'ilna, tufa'iluna, tufa'ilna, then tufa'ilina. Then you have got passive voice. So you have passive voice. Fu'alu, fu'alu, fu'ala. Past tense, fu'ala. Fu'ala, fu'alu, fu'alat, fu'alata, fu'alna, fu'alta, fu'altima, like this it will complete. Then yufa'alu, tufa'alu, ufa'alu, nufa'alu. Now this way the chart will complete. Then you have got yufa'iluna, the doer noun. Then you have got 18. Muallimun, muallimani, muallimuna, mualliman, muallimaini, muallimina, muallimin, muallimaini, muallimina, muallimatun, muallimatan, muallimatin, muallimatani, muallimataini, muallimataini, muallimatun, muallimatin, muallimatin. Like this it will continue. So how many you can form on your own? 14 into 4 and 2 into 18. Only with this much of information which I have given you now. Not only this, you can have other light, lighter, heavy, heavier, and then imperatives. This is what I said. You know little, but it progresses in geometrical proportion. Then the next is fa'ala. Fa'ala. This is named as Bab 3 in that nomenclature. 3 Roman. Fa'ala. The mudare would be yufa'ilu. Fa'ala yufa'ilu. Note down, in both these examples, this alamatul mudare is with dhamma, like passive voice.
But ayn is not bil fatha.
That will be in passive voice.
Yufa'alu, yeah.
Yeah. But here, in the active voice, you have alamatul mudare with dhamma. Whereas, in all the 6 forms of sulasi mujarrad, the alamatul mudare in maruf or the active voice was fatha. Yufa'ilu. And the infinitive are of two types. Mufa'alatun or fi'alun. Come with the examples. In Urdu, hundreds of nouns may be in your knowledge which you use in Urdu. Muamala, musha'ara, mushara. You know, from here you come to the like pronunciation of, it's not mushaira. Mushara, muamala, muzakara, muhasaba, mujadala, mulazmat. Mulazma. Mulazamat. I add one thing more to the first one also, that usually, not always, usually in the second one, number 2 bab, it is that you give the madda to someone, like ta'aleem. You share knowledge with others on continuous basis. You give the madda, the root. Root has its own meaning, like ilm is the root. Ta'aleem is to share ilm with another on continuous basis. Education is not in one day. You take some time to share your knowledge gradually to the other person.
Can you repeat that, please? Usually give the root word.
Not root word.
Give madda to someone.
Madda has some meanings or not?
Yes.
You give madda, write down in bracket the meanings of that. Whatever is in madda, that is something. In ta'aleem, it is ilm, knowledge. You share knowledge with another.
Just like students we should revise and this is ta'aleem.
No, alima is to know. Ta'aleem is to convey knowledge to someone. Usually it is like this. Sometimes it can be reverse also or some other meanings also. Dictionary will tell you that in which bab a particular madda gives what meanings.
In the both party they are busy in the same thing. Just like ta'aleem, like you are teaching us and we are responding and we are.
I am muallim and you are muallam with reference to ta'aleem. You know, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been said that muallamun majnoon. Muallamun majnoon, that he is taught by some Ajami slave. He has kept it.
So we're not muta'allim?
That is from other. That is, if you refer learning, that will be the subject noun and muta'allim. But if you are referring this, you know, there are 2 ways to say the same thing in English, in Arabic. Mufa'ala, mulazama, mulazmat, musha'ara, munasabat, munasaba, muhasaba. The fa'il, the doer noun is Mufa'ilun. Mufa'ilun is the doer noun. And object noun is mufa'alun. Take some example, write down some examples too, especially those from Urdu background. We use these words very commonly in English, they are already in our vocabulary. But if we are able to give them the proper orientation, then you know a lot about them. You can make hundreds of words from the same. Mu'amala, from amal, mu'amala.
It's an Arabic word.
Mulazama, used in Urdu. In Urdu we write it like this, mulazamat, but actually that is mulazama. Mulazama. You have then muqabala. You know, qabl means before, in front. Muqabala, in front of each other.
Face to face.
Face to face.
Sorry.
Muqabala.
Muqata'a.
Muqata'a, boycott. Qata means to cut, and muqata means boycott. Cut off each other. Muqata'a.
Mudaraba.
So that's why it's muqatta'a.
The letters? Yeah.
That's why
That is from the previous bab. Muqatta'a.
muqatta'a.
Yes.
When there is tashdid, it will be either bab 2 or 5.
Say mudaraba.
Muqata'a,
Mudaraba.
mudaraba, musharaka. You know the Islamic banking use the word musharaka and mudaraba.
Yeah.
Musharaka. Sharik means to become, join, to associate. Shirk, musharaka. Then dangerous words, muqatala in the North America. Muqatala.
Everywhere is dangerous.
Muhasaba, accountability. Sorry, muhasaba. Muhasaba, mufahama, yes. Muhasaba. Mufahamat, mutual understanding. Faham means to understand. Mufahamat, mutual understanding. Nazariya is ideology.
Mukataba only.
Yeah. Yeah. Mukataba is the same. Mubaraka is the same. Mubaraka. Then, what do you say? Mukataba. Munafaqa is the same, exactly. Mukataba, munafaqa.
Munafasa. فليتنافس المتنافسون.
Yes. That is really used. Munafaqa is very commonly used in the Quran. Munafaqa. Now, I said there are two, the infinitive may be in two shapes. Now, for munafaqa was the alternate word, nifaq, fi'al. Nifaq. What is the alternate for mujahada? Jihad. What is for muqatala? Qital. What is for muhasaba? Hisab.
All we can use it. إن الله سريع الحساب.
So quickly I will do the chart. Fa'ala yufa'ilu with some example. Say jahada, very commonly used in the Quran. Jahada,
Yujahidu.
jahada, jahada, jahadu, jahadat, jahadata, jahadna, jahatta, this is basically jahadta. But according to the Tajweed principle, merger will take place. Jahatta, jahattuma, jahattum, jahatti, jahattuma, jahattunna, jahattu, jahadna. Yujahidu, tujahidu, tujahidu, ujahidu, nujahidu, yujahidani, tujahidani, 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 yujahiduna, yujahidna, tujahiduna, tujahidna, and tujahidina. Right, then mujahidun is the doer noun. Mujahidun, mujahidan, mujahidin,
Mujahi.
mujahidani, mujahidaini, mujahidaini, mujahiduna, mujahidina, mujahidina. Mujahidatun, mujahidatan, mujahidatin, mujahidatani, mujahidataini, mujahidataini, mujahidatun, mujahidatun, mujahidatin. Muhajirat is the same. Hijra. Muhajira, hajara, yuhajiru, to migrate. Hijr means separation. Hijr means separation, departure, and muhajara means immigration. Next is Bab 4. Most commonly used in the Quran. That is af'ala. Af'ala. This is Bab 4. Af'ala. Madare, those should be yuf'ilu. This too has Dhamma of the Alamatul Madare, even in the active verb. Yuf'ilu. All these have common features. All three we have studied until now. That the Alamatul Madare is having Dhamma, and the middle of the root letter in active has got kasra. Yufa'ilu, yufa'ilu, and then yuf'ilu.
So the inactive would have, what did you say about the inactive?
Majhul or passive.
Normally.
They will have definitely the fatha here.
Oh, okay.
And in combination, when these two things come together, that is the sign of passive, inactive one. So af'ala yufilu, and the infinitive would be if'alun. Infinitive should be if'alun.
Then object.
Af'ala yufilu if'alun.
Huwa. Maf'ulun.
Mufilun.
Muf'ilun.
Af'ala yuf'ilu. If'alun. Islamun. Imanun. Ikramun. Insanun.
If'alun is infinitive.
Infinitive. Islamun, example now. To start with, Islamun, Ikramun.
Ijlal.
To pay someone respect is Ikramun.
Wa ijlalun.
Uncommon, है ना?
अच्छा.
Common ले आओ ना, it is known.
Irsal.
Ibtalun. That's not very common, but it's basic. Ibtalun.
Israrun.
Iqrarun. Ihsanun.
Iqlab.
It's used. It's correct, but it's not commonly used. Iqrarun,
Iqlab.
ihsanun is correct. Very good example. Ihramun, yes.
उस्ताद जी इक़लाब नहीं
नहीं ठीक है लेकिन कम इस्तेमाल है ना.
इक़लाब नॉर्मली कुरान पढ़ने तजवीज़ सिंपल है इक़लाब
कुरान शरीफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਆਇਆ. ihsanun. Brother Ishaq has come all the way from Canada, so we have to listen to him too. Iqlabun. Israrun. फिर वही गल. Israrun. Ihramun. Yes. Ijlasun. Meeting. Jalasa Jajlisu means to sit, and Ijlas, Ijma'un, exactly. Ijlasun, Ijma'un, consensus. Ijma'un, consensus. Ilqa'un.
Oh yeah.
Imanun. It was basically Iman. Islam, If'al, Iman. But again, you have to give a lot of jerk to you. So, Imanun. It's Imanun against the
Imsakun.
Imsakun, fasting. Imsakun. Imsak is a single word used for all three things. You know, in the fasting, you don't eat, you don't drink, and you don't have sex. The common word for them is, for all three, imsakun. Instead of iqamun, it's called iqamatun. They have but the same.
Iqamatus salah.
Yeah, iqamatus salah. Aqama yuqimu. Iqamatun.
Ihanatun.
Ihanatun, exactly. Tawheen. Ihanatun. You don't have to memorize all of them. Remember one thing, a clue I can give you. You would know these, any one of these in any of these forms. For example, we are all Muslims. So you from Islam, you know that the doer is Muslimun. So in the same shape, all of them will be Muqlibun, Mukrimun, Mubtilun, Mukriun, Muhsinun, Muminun, and Muskim, Mumsikun, Muhrimun, etc., etc. Musirrun. It will Musirrun, but it will be read as Musirrun.
If we say muqimun, then it's a different, not a mufail.
It is basically, Madda is Qaf, Waw, and Mim. From where it will become Aqwama, Aqwama Yukvimu, Aqwama Yukvimu. Right? So Waw is a weak letter, so it will become Yuqimu. Waw will be replaced by Ya. Yuqimu.
Muqim is okay.
Muqim is okay.
This is what I'm saying. And a Muslim muqim.
Yeah. Yes, we can do a complete chart of this also, this because this is commonly used, Yuqimu Salah, etc., etc. Listen to me carefully. Qama, Qama, Qamu. Qamat, Qamata, Qumna. Because the dropping letter is Waw, so it now be Qumna. Then Qumna, Qumta, Qumtuma, Qumtum, Qumti, Qumtuma, Qumtunna, Qumtu, Qumna. Then Yuqmimu become Yuqimu. Yuqimu, Tuqimu, Tuqimu, Uqimu, Nuqimu. Yuqimani, Tuqimani, Tuqimani, Tuqimani. Yuqimuna, Yuqimna. Tuqimina, Tuqumna, Tuqimna. then takumina. Right? Now the doer noun muqimu. Then once it is muqimu, it's very easy. Muqimani, muqimuna, muqiman, muqimaini, muqimina, muqimin, muqimaini, muqimina, muqimatun, muqimatani, muqimatun, muqimatan, muqimataini, muqimatin, muqima, tin, muqimat, muqimataini, muqimatin, like this. And the object noun would be muf'alun. Mukramun.
Muqbal.
Muqbalun. No, Iqbal would also come here in this heading. Iqbalun.
Yeah.
Muqbilun is the facing one, and Muqbal, Kaaba is our Muqbal, and we are Muqbilinul Kaaba, those who face the Kaaba. Tafa'ala. The Mudare would be Yatafa'alu. And when you go to the Alamat Madare Ta, it becomes very interesting. Tatafa'alu. So, tafa'ala, tafa'ala, tafa'alu, tafa'ala, tafa'ala, ta, tafa'alna, tafa'alta, tafa'altuma, tafa'altum, tafa'alti, tafa'altuma, tafa'altunna, tafa'altu, tafa'alna. Then, yatafa'alu, tatafa'alu, tatafa'alu, atafa'alu, natafa'alu. Yatafa'alani, tatafa'alani, tatafa'alani, tatafa'alani. Yatafa'aluna, yatafa'alna, tatafa'aluna, tatafa'alna, and tatafa'alina. The infinitives are only one shape. Tafa'ulun, very important. अक्सर असी पंजाबी च गलती पढ़ने हैं. Tafa'ulun. Takabburun. Ta'allumun. Yes?
Is the infinitive?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the infinitive. Tafa'ulun. This is infinitive. Tafa'ulun.
Ta'allumun.
Examples. Learning is ta'allumun. Ta'allumun, learning. To learn. Takabburun, to be arrogant. Takabburun. To smile, tabassumun. Tabassumun. To smile. Fatabassama dhahikan. Sulaiman alayhi salam smiled and laughed, hearing the ant saying, Udkhulu masakinakum la yahtikammannakum Sulaimanu wa junuduhu
La yashurun.
wa hum la yashurun.
Bassama dhahikan min qawliha. कितनी प्यारी दुआ भी है.
Ta'allumun, tabassumun, takabburun, takallumun, to speak. You know, speaker is mutakallim, the one who speaks, you call in Arabic muta'allim. Same one. Doer noun. Which one? Tafakkur, yes. Tafakkur. You know, the past tense will be tafakkara, and here it will be tafakkurun. Tazakkurun. To receive admonition. Dhikr means admonition. Tadakkurun. Tadabburun. So, Tadabburun. Hakkumun. Hukum means power, authority. Tahakkum, to be authoritative. है तहक्कुमाना अंदाज ही कहते हैं उर्दू में यही तहक्कुमुन. Tanazzulun, to get down, to descend. Tatanazzalu alayhimul malaikatu. Tanazzulun is the infinitive. It's not used usually. Tafakhurun, that is the other bab. Next one. Takabburun, takallumun, tahakkumun, tanazzulun.
You mean the dot.
Where? Yes. Tanazzulun. Takabburun, takallumun, tahakkumun, tanazzulun, etc. Tawajjuhun, takallufun. Wajh means phase. Tawajjuh means to draw attention. Tawajjuh. Tawajjuhun. Takallufun. Takallufun. Swad noon ain is used for producing something. Sana'at, industry. Tasannu'un, to pretend. The actually is not there. You are, make presentation is tasannu'un. हो गई यानी अंदरों है कुछ नहीं तुसी बना के हमें बाहर पेश कर रहे हो make presentation to show up.
You can. It's in something is just less. That's it.
इसमें फाइल तो बना रही है यार. Doer noun is, now you know the rule already. It should be mutafa'ilun. The common principle is you remove the ta and add meme here and give it a dhamma for doer and
Ain for kasra.
kasra for doer and fatha to the middle letter for the object noun.
So mufa'alun.
Mutafa'il.
Mutafa'ilun and mutafa'alun.
Mutafakkirun.
Mutafa'ilun, and the object noun should be, it's not usually used but in principle, mutafa'alun.